What's up, guys? Welcome back to another Wisco Outdoors episode. Today we're doing a cooking episode. We are making whitetail backstraps, so you know it's going to be a good one. Yeah, let's get right into it. First thing we're going to do is get the backstraps all cleaned up, remove any silver skin you left on there. I like to leave the layer of silver skin on the backstraps when I freeze them, just add a little more protection in the freezer. Once that's done, I'm going to get the grill started, get the meat seasoned, cook some good steaks. Them's look yummy. Okay, got the grill ripping hot right now. Smoking. Turn down a little bit. Turn it down a little bit. One this way. Then these little trimmings are called chef snacks. So these will stay covered for probably 2-3 minutes. Flip them 2-3 minutes. I like about an internal temp 130. Pull them off, let them sit for 10 minutes. They'll raise up to 135. Will be a nice medium rare. So yeah, we're gonna turn this down a little more. Just let them sit and sizzle. Just messing with my snacks first. These gotta sit for another couple minutes. My little nubbins are done. Don't have a clean board. Be right back. They're gonna be right. But in the meantime, you're gonna flip. Back guy. Back guy. Yeah, buddy. Look at them. Beautiful. Let that sit for a couple minutes and then enjoy the snot out of that. 2 end pieces are done. Yeah, buddy. Awesome. Right there. This guy up there. Heck yeah. Obviously, it's not like pink in the middle because it was done with the first 5 seconds it hit the grill, but so yummy. If you don't like venison, we gotta have a talking stew. And the real kick in the nuts is, this is from a deer y'all haven't even seen. You'll see him soon though. That one's gonna be real good. That one's gonna be a little more on the bloody side. Let the grill burn off for 5 minutes. Clean her up. Let her cool down.
But,
No.
so he said with my car, it should be okay, but your truck would be
What?
real tight in there
Yeah.
too.
Apparently, like that one that we had.
Yeah, that sauce is plain Greek yogurt and avocado with some dill, garlic,
Smells good.
lemon juice. It's just a plain kind of simple.
For on the fritters?
Yeah.
But we said kind of something like this. Obviously, we want a darker color, but something kind of like that, you know, with a couple peaks and stuff like that to give some character.
Yeah,
But I'm sure they'll put their own kind of spin on it or whatever.
sure.
That dinner was amazing, and there's a nice glare on my computer. There you go. That was amazing. Being the great YouTube guy that I am, I forgot to film an outro. But that dinner kicked some serious butt. There was obviously the back straps that you guys saw. Grandpa made like a sweet corn fritter, and Mom made sweet potatoes. So can't go wrong with that. Super awesome meal. Highly recommend you guys trying that prime rib rub from Traeger. That stuff rocks. Really good on chicken. Obviously, really good on the tenderloin or the back straps there. So, hopefully, you all enjoyed this quick little episode. Hopefully, you guys have some good success this deer hunting season. You guys can enjoy your back straps off of your deer. So, without further ado, have a good one, y'all.